Seda Hotel, Seda Manila Bay Hotel dito sa Parañaque City. Dito gaganapin ang Miss World Philippines 2024 press presentation. Hi guys, nandito ako sa Seda Manila Bay sa Parañaque City para manood ng press presentation ng Miss World Philippines 2024. So yung presentation mag-start ng 2 p.m. Meron pang few minutes bago mag-start. It's 2 p.m. pero hindi pa nag-start. Hindi pa puno yung Malabe. Marami ang tao.
This year, you go on a journey beyond expectations. Welcome to Miss World Philippines 2024.
We got a glimpse of the girls you'll be seeing this afternoon, and it's also important to remember that it wasn't just a week ago that the pageant fans went crazy over the posting of the second batch of them to greater heights since its acquisition of the franchise in 2017. Let us all welcome Mr. Arnold Vega-Fria.
To all our media friends, guests, sponsors, former Miss World Philippine Queens, Miss World Philippine Queens are here today. Friends,
Let us now meet our official candidates for Miss World Philippines 2024. Give them a very excited, warm round of applause, everyone. Miss World Philippines 2024. Who are your favorites? Can we hear some of them? Who are we hearing?
guys over here. So tapos na ang press presentation ng Miss World Philippines 2024. Ginigutom na ako kaya uwi na ako. Pumasok ako ng Ayala Malls dito sa Manila Bay, Parañaque City. Kakatapos lang ng Miss World Philippines 2024 press presentation sa Seda Hotel.